So in today's video, I will be sharing some of my absolute favorite winter toners. Like these toners are something which I do like to use for my dry skin pretty much throughout the year. But during the winter time, I like to use them even more. And during the winter time, it is important that you do change your toner from watery texture to something viscous texture as per your skin requirement. And I will be sharing different toners for different skin types. And if you have skin type which is like normal, dry and combination, continue watching this video. But if you have skin type which is like oily and you prefer to use like comparatively less viscous toner, then jump to the second half of this video and you will find the timestamp somewhere here. Like scroll through this timeline at the bottom of the video and you will find the timestamp. All of these toners are 100% essential oil free, 100% fragrance free, which makes them perfect for the people who have sensitive skin. And now without further ado, let me start the actual part of the video. And the first toner that I will be reviewing, it is the Innisfree Bija Cica Skin. Now skin means toner in Korean skincare, so if you come across any bottle that has skin written on it, it is nothing but a toner for your skin. And this toner has that watery, milky consistency which does aid that moderate hydration to your skin. And when you look at the ingredient list of this product, firstly, it is like quite small, which is a fab thing for the sensitive skin, and they have mainly used various Centella Asiatica derivative to soothe your skin. The skin requirement for the winter is like you need something to calm your irritated skin, and also you need that moderate level of hydration. Then this Innisfree toner is for you. This Innisfree toner is quite suitable for the people who get fungal acne. Just make sure that your skin doesn't get fungal acne from glycerin, squalene or torio seed oil. Like these three ingredients are quite safe, but since the torio seed oil is the carrier oil, it sometimes can trigger fungal acne, but overall this oil is quite gentle. It is not only moisturizing, but at the same time it does have that skin calming and antibacterial property. And the next toner is the Rovectin Skin Essential Activating Treatment Lotion. Description says that it's a lotion, but it is more like a toner and essence. And you can safely use it at the toner step, and you can also use it at the essence step. And I have 2 bottles of it. Like this bigger bottle is something which I purchased and it is completely empty, and the second bottle was given to me by the brand and it is also like almost empty. So I really love this toner, and especially for winter time, it's like a savior. So when you look at the ingredient list, they have used 7 different types of hyaluronic acid, and because of these hyaluronic acid, this toner is very hydrating in nature, and it does have that viscosity and bounce to it. Also, like this other ingredient which is the papaya extract used in it, this is nothing but fruit enzyme. It does have that very gentle skin exfoliating property. It is basically like extremely gentle chemical exfoliator. So this is why many people come to me and ask, is this toner exfoliating in nature? This toner is not exactly an exfoliator. It does not have that exfoliating property. The papaya enzyme used in it helps in better absorption of this product, and also of course it boosts the performance of all the other ingredients in this product. And again, because of this papaya extract, this is that one rare hyaluronic acid toner which really does not need any kind of mist, or you really don't have to damp your skin. You can just directly use it on your dry skin as well as on damp skin. Both way, it's gonna work fabulously. So if your primary skin requirement during the winter time is you need something for that intense hydration, you are experiencing a lot of dehydration on your skin, then this Rovectin toner is for you. It is the best product out there for the dehydrated skin. And finally, like for the fungal acne prone skin, this toner is very safe. Just make sure that your skin doesn't get fungal acne from the glycerin. Like glycerin is that one particular ingredient which you will find in most of the product, especially any product like any toner, essence or serum that has this skin hydrating property. So it's a very common ingredient. If your skin is like reactive towards it, I literally have no words for you. In case if you are a student or if you are on tight budget and you cannot get your hands on the Rovectin lotion, like that's still my like first preference for the dehydrated skin. But for whatsoever reason, if you cannot buy that, you can also check out the L'Oreal Hyaluronic Acid Serum. This serum is like on budget, my favorite skin hydrating product, and even though it's a serum, you can easily use it at the toner step. Just make sure that you dampen your skin, and in case if you don't have any mist toner or any toner, you can simply spray some water, like the regular water which you use to clean your face. Just spray that on your face and then use this L'Oreal serum. And when it comes to the usage for fungal acne prone skin, this serum again has glycerine and this one more ingredient which sometimes can trigger fungal acne. If your skin doesn't have an issue with these two ingredients, you may use it for your skin. Like I'm saying all this for the fungal acne prone skin. And moving on to the next product, the next winter toner is the I'm From Rise toner. Now again, this toner is one of my favorite. This bottle is empty. I fully used it up. This toner has very milky consistency, and this is why it feels quite hydrating and moisturizing on the skin. And when you look at the ingredient list, it again has very small ingredient list. They have mainly used rice extract in it, and rice extract is an amazing ingredient to protect your skin barrier and of course to add that glow on your skin. So during the winter time, if your requirement is you need something to add that glow on your skin, or you need something to strengthen your skin barrier, and also you need that moderate level of hydration, then this I'm From Rise toner is perfect for you. And when it comes to the fungal acne issue, this toner is quite safe. You can use it. Just make sure your skin is not sensitive to the ingredient which is shown on the screen. Like if you don't get fungal acne with this, then definitely check this one out. It is quite safe. So the next two winter toners that I will be sharing are perfect for the oily skin during this winter time, as they have like comparatively less viscous texture. They are more watery, but they still have that bounce to it, that slip to it for that needed hydration during this winter time. And the first toner is the Beauty of Joseon Ginseng Essence Water. Now this is like a 2-in-1 product. You can use it at the toner step and you can also use it at the essence step. I like to use it both way, depends on my mood and the other products that I'm using. It works fabulously either way. And when you look at the ingredient list of this product, they have mainly used ginseng extract as the key ingredient, and the second one is the niacinamide. So because of the ingredients used in this product, this toner helps in dealing with lot of things at once. So if you have oily skin and you are dealing with some dullness on your skin, some minor level of dehydration on your skin, and you have those red acne marks on your skin, and you need just one product that's gonna do everything for you, then this is the product. And when it comes to the suitability for fungal acne issue, this toner is again quite safe. Just ensure that you don't get fungal acne with glycerine. And the next winter toner for the oily skin is the Cosrx Propolis Synergy Toner. If you have oily skin, it's gonna be perfect for you. Like compared to the Beauty of Joseon, this Cosrx one is more viscous and more hydrating. So if you need something more viscous than this for your oily skin, this Cosrx one is perfect for you. And when it comes to the ingredient list, they have mainly used propolis extract as the key ingredient to hydrate your skin, to soothe your skin and everything. If you have oily skin and you need a winter toner which helps in moderately hydrating your skin, which is also calming in nature, which also strengthens your weak skin barrier, then this Cosrx one is perfect for you. And these two toners are something, this Cosrx and the Beauty of Joseon one, which pretty much can be used by other skin types as well during the winter time, but they are not going to be sufficiently hydrating for your skin. Again, if you have like oily skin and you are on budget, you people can also check out the L'Oreal Hyaluronic Acid Serum because it's an amazing serum with hyaluronic acid in it, which does hydrate your skin really well, and I really do love it for that hydration purpose. Just make sure that you do dampen your skin before putting on that hyaluronic acid serum. So finally I recorded this video. Like, I was really doubtful whether I will be able to record any content today or not, because there is no sunlight outside. The weather is very smoggy, not foggy, very smoggy because of the pollution. And I hope this video turns out good. So if you like this video, definitely give it a big thumbs up, because it does motivate me, to create more content when many people give a thumbs up to my video. And do subscribe to my video. Do subscribe to my channel to not miss any content, and I will see you in my next upload. Bye.